Hello everybody, welcome back. It's W3 here. So today I'm going to be going on HackTheBox, which is like a pen testing, like CTF sort of place that people can go and you can like practice and all that. But to sign up, you've got to like hack in to be able to sign up, as we'll find out. So I'm on HackTheBox.eu. I'm going to sign in for individuals. And then we go to the bottom and we're going to go for the free sign up. So join today, take the invite challenge. So basically to join HackTheBox, there's a challenge you've got to complete, so we'll do that. Join, and then it says hi, feel free to hack your way in, invite code, sign up. So you have to somehow get in. I'll just try 1 2 3 4 or whatever. 1 2 3. As you can see, you need a code and you've got to get it yourself basically. So I'm going to start off. I'm just going to have a look at the spec element. Drag this over here. Right, let's have a look. So I'm going to go to the console. As we can see, we've got this. Go to debugger, have a look what files they got. So we've got the JavaScript invite api.min.js. This is obviously something that looks interesting. So what we're going to do, as you can see, look, make invite code. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this whole string. Then we're going to put it into a JavaScript beautifier. Basically it just unpacks it, deobfuscates it, all that. So just paste it in here and then we'll beautify it, and as we can see, that strip, this line of code is actually a function, two functions actually. One of the functions is verify invite code, the other function is a make invite code, which is type post. So URL says API invite how to generate. So I'm guessing if you do a post request to this here, that'll give us some more. So we'll go with that. So I'll copy that. Now I'm going to open up CYGWin and we're going to do curl, then X post because we want to make a post request, and then we'll type in the URL, which is HackTheBox.eu. So we'll paste that here, and then we want to paste this URL along with it. So we'll just copy that and then we'll paste, get rid of that other slash, and then we'll just press enter. Okay, so we've got something back. We've got success1 data, and then we've got some data here, which is this string here. Just open up a little bit more, and it says, well, it's got encrypted, it's base 64. Right, so we'll decrypt this base 64 string. So we'll copy that. Then we'll do base 64 decrypt. We'll just decrypt it online, easy enough. Just paste it in there and then we'll decode it. So we've got some text back now. It says, in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API/invite/generate. Okay, so we'll copy that, and then we'll do curl X post and HTTPS HackTheBox.eu/ and then paste. press enter. Now we've got another code here, which is base 64 as well by the looks of it, because of the what's it called, equal sign at the end. Bit of a giveaway. Just open up a little bit more. Yeah, so we'll copy that, paste it here, and then we'll decode that. And now we've got another string, which to me looks like the code, as we've got here, and then we've got dash, and then we've got some more characters, dash, characters. So here we go, it's the code. We'll take that to HackTheBox, we'll put it in, paste it, and we'll see if we can sign up. And you signed up. Obviously I did this before, so it's come straight to my account, but you get the point. So yeah, pretty fun, pretty exciting, you know. It's quite hard CTFs and that on this HackTheBox. I think there is easier ones that I would start off with, and that's personally what I'm going to go back to anyway, because I've only just started doing these CTFs or whatever, you know, but they are fun. And yeah, my computer's been sort of breaking lately, a bit slow and that, so I haven't really uploaded many videos because it takes all day to export it, all that crap basically. So yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it, have fun and keep on hacking. See you later.